Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can copy images from Samsung Internet to the Clipboard and then paste to other apps on the Galaxy S21 series. So the first thing is to go back to your home screen and tap on the home key to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. In here, go to the web page that has the image that you want to copy. Next, touch and hold onto an image. And then go down and tap on copy image. Now an image has been copied to the clipboard. Next, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And then open up the app that you want to paste to. So here, let's say I want to paste to Samsung Notes. So I open up my notes, and then down here you can see it's already available for you to paste. Now you can also touch and hold onto your note and then tap on paste, or you can bring up the clipboard. So touch and hold and then tap on clipboard, and then you can tap an image from the clipboard to paste it into your note. Now you can also readjust the size of an image like so by simply readjusting the handle. There is also a rotate button which you can rotate the image. You can also drag the image around your note. Now you can also paste to other apps as well, such as my messaging app. And in here I can touch and hold, then tap on paste, and you can see it now pastes to the text messaging app. If you've got other apps such as WhatsApp, so if I open up WhatsApp here, okay, you can see if I touch and hold, I can tap on clipboard, and then so this particular format would not allow me to paste into the clipboard. So while some apps will support the format from the web, some app will not be available for you to paste. But that's it. That's how you can copy and paste images from the Samsung Internet to other apps on your Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.